Are you looking for alternative hair that is still stylish but a little bit more affordable for you? Well, stay tuned. I think I have an answer for you. Hi, it's Barbara. Welcome back to my wig gig. Today I want to show you a wig that is, I think, in the more affordable range, especially for new wig wearers. When you first look at wigs, you kind of have sticker shock because you didn't realize how expensive some of them can truly be. Now, granted, that has to do with the features of the wig and what makes a wig something that you like to wear, that you're comfortable in. It isn't necessarily all those features. So the wig I'm showing you today is Textured Fringe Bob by Hairdo. And I'm going to show you the box. Now, Hairdo is a division of the Raquel Welch line. And I'm going to say it's her more affordable line as opposed to using the word cheap. They're less expensive, let's just put it that way. But they still have some of those nice features that Raquel Welch wigs have, such as their color range is always nice. This happens to be Glazed Mocha or R11S+. I think that the Hairdo line kind of is a little bit of an overlooked line of wigs just because they are in that more affordable range and they don't have all those features that you're looking at in the more expensive lines of wigs. But you still have, like I said, the nice Raquel features, the Raquel Welch features in this wig. Now let's go through this color. This is Glazed Mocha or R11S+. And what it is a blended brown with some amber gold lights throughout it, and they're concentrated a little more in the front than in the back. And when you get to the back, you can see that she's got a lot of this razor cut to her. I'm going to try and turn around a little so you can see this. So you can see all this razoring in the back. And I think that's what gives this style just a little bit of an edgy look on a bob, because bobs, and I've done enough reviews on bobs. I like bobs. I think they're complementary to my face shape, and I'm used to wearing my hair about that length. So this one is cute just because she's got all this razoring around her, and you can pull her behind your ear if you choose. She has plenty of good coverage on the sides. Just a fun, adorable wig, and her price point again is so nice and economical and affordable. So again, some of the nice features that you see in the Raquel Welch wigs are the texture of the hair. This happens to actually be heat-friendly fibers. This is their true-to-life fibers. So you get that nice feature from Raquel Welch. You don't have the lace front or a mono part or a mono top, but you do have some permatease in here, not a whole lot, which is kind of nice as well, because if you don't want a lot of permatease, you're not used to that, especially when you're first starting out. I remember that one of my first wigs was Jazz by John Renault, and cute wig, great, but she had a lot of permatease, so she was extremely poofy on the top, and when you come from not having hair or extremely fine thin hair, having a lot of permatease in a wig is overwhelming also. So anyway, I came across this one and I think she is really an adorable style. She is a bob style that is very shaggy in her style. She is just, I think, an adorable wig, and she's affordable. She has an excellent price point. If you go out and you look at any of the wigs by the Hairdo line, I think you're really going to be impressed, because maybe, you know, you look at it and you go, the price, oh, they can't be that great. Yes, they are. They are nice wigs. The hair fibers are nice. In this case, they're nice and fine. The density of the wig, however, is not, it's not really dense, but it's dense enough so that none of your wefts are showing through. And you can be confident when you're wearing it that it doesn't look like a wig. So let's talk about the specs on textured Fringe Bob. I'm going to put my glasses on. I can show you how that works. They just fit right in there, very comfortable. And I'm going to read this off of here. It's an average size cap, and I will agree with that. It fits me pretty well around my circumference. I had to adjust her in just a little bit, not a lot. The cap itself, though, is a little roomy. I do have a little extra there, but then I have a very small head. It's extremely small in the crown area. The true to life fibers. These are nice because they're heat friendly, up to about 350 degrees. So you can use heat styling tools on this. It's recommended that you don't use them directly on your head, but you would put them on a mannequin form and work with it that way. The front fringe is 4 1/4 inches. The crown is 6 3/4 inches. The sides are 5 3/4 inches. The nape is 2 1/4, and the back, even with all this layering and fringing here, is 4 3/4. So those would be the specs on her. She weighs about 2.8 ounces, so almost 3 ounces, but I have found that she's extremely lightweight. I really don't feel her any weight and feel her on that I have her on. She's really comfortable to wear. So another nice feature, again, going with Raquel Welch, and I forgot to mention Gabor also, because the same company that makes Raquel Welch and Gabor makes Hairdo line. So I think that she is a truly nice and comfortable type of wig. I wanted to show you something that when she comes in her box, if I can get her open here. One of the nice things is she comes with this nice guide. Let me zoom in on that. So she comes with a really nice wig style guide that literally goes through a lot of great points, which happen to be, you know, how to put a wig on, how to prepare for it, how to put a wig on. She goes through the, you know, like what kind of color should I choose? And there are the different colors through that Raquel Welch line that this wig is available in. So, you know, you've got, if you're used to a Raquel Welch wig or a Gabor wig, you know that those colors are going to be pretty true to what you already know. And it gives you styling tips for that synthetic fiber, and then also care instructions for the wig. I think this is a really nice tool that you get when you purchase this wig. Okay, I'm going to take this wig cap off and I'm going to show you the inside construction of the wig. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've taken off Textured Fringe Bob and I have put on Ophelia by Envy in the color, oh, I don't remember what her color is, but it's kind of similar. Anyway, a fun textured shaggy style again, just a little bit shorter, more towards leaning towards a pixie than towards a bob. Anyhow, oh, let's look at the color here. So you can see this nice blending of the brown and the golden highlights, and you can see how they're more towards the front than they are in the back. And then we have that nice textured style right there. She's just a really cute wig, and light and comfortable. So she's just a standard construction style of cap. You can see it's just a standard style up in front. We have the moleskin for comfort, and truly that is very comfortable. Her permatease, a little bit, that lives here in the crown area and a little bit towards the front, but not a lot. So that's what makes her really comfortable too, especially for first-time wig wearers, because it's not standing up and poofy all over the place. So she's got stretch, open wefting. She has what are called open ear tabs with a little bit of a metal stay inside. She has just a single velvet band across the nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. Simple, basic cap, but very lightweight, very comfortable, gets a lot of airflow through it. I think that's why, another reason why it never feels like I'm really wearing anything when I have her on. She's just all around a very cute style of wig. So I'll go and put her back on, and we'll finish up. Okay, so we've looked at the inside construction of the cap. There are different ways that you could style this if you chose to. You can use heat styling tools on her because this is a heat-friendly fiber. You can always do something like changing your part, and I'm going to use my mirror here. You can always pull her over to the side and get more of a side swept kind of look if that's what you're going for. Pull her closer to those ears, just kind of a little bit more conservative, I guess would be the words. Or you could take and just using your comb, let her fall wherever she's going to. Use your fingertips and fluff her up. You can pull some of these pieces towards your face. She's so sassy, and I think that's one of the things that I really like about her. We can always use our water bottle with a little conditioner in it. Spritz her up a little bit. You could then maybe do some training. Maybe you want to have your part on the other side. And you can just pull her down in front of your face. You could add something like a headband. Just throw it in there for a little color. Maybe pull that behind your ears. Keep it fluffed up in the back. So much fun. I think that heat styling it can be a fun thing to do. I haven't done this yet with this wig, even though I've owned her actually for a long time. I really like having the straight hair. Maybe because I'm so used to straight hair, it's how my hair has always been my entire life. So, and that's not to say I don't like curls. I do, and I have some wigs with curls in them, and I love them just because I can have curls all day long, not have curls for 5 minutes and then they've fallen. So anyway, this is just a fun, sassy wig, great for on the go, total shake and go type of thing. You can just get up in the morning, get your makeup on. That's the way I do it. Put my makeup on, I get dressed, I then go and I put my wig on, and it's just a matter of putting my wig cap on. I wear one in the wintertime because it's colder. I don't in the summertime. Then I use my wig grip on top of that, so that makes sure that my wig isn't going anywhere. It is staying on my head. And with something like this, you just pull her out of the box or take her off the wig stand, give her a little bit of a shake, pop her on, and you can just style her with your fingers. You don't have to do really anything else. And if you put curl in her, just be prepared that that's going to take a little time to do. So you're probably going to want to do that, you know, a day or two before you're going to wear her, so that you know that you've got that style put into the hairs. And then again, if you want to straighten it back out again, you can always use a flat iron and straighten the fibers up again. So she is a nice, versatile little wig with a lot of style and at such a bargain price. I don't think that you can go wrong with purchasing this wig. I know I didn't. I truly enjoy her. I'd like to thank you for watching my video review on Textured Fringe Bob by Hairdo in the color Glazed Mocha, which is R11S+. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something new from it, please give it a like. And if you like my channel and what I am sending to you, please subscribe. You will get notifications if you ring that notification bell on more wig reviews that I will be putting out in the future. If you enjoyed this, I certainly would love to hear your comments on it. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them for you. I look at all my comments and I do respond to them. Until then, I hope that you have a wonderful day.